Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to learn QuickBooks for beginners. We'll start by navigating the dashboard and setting up your company file. You'll learn to connect your bank accounts, which automates transaction imports, saving you valuable time. This foundational knowledge is crucial for accurate record keeping and efficient financial management from day one. Let's get started on your journey to mastering QuickBooks. Next, we'll dive into managing your income and expenses. You'll learn to create and send customer invoices, then record payments received. We'll also cover how to categorize all your business expenses correctly, which is vital for tax purposes. Finally, I'll show you how to reconcile your bank and credit card statements, ensuring all your financial data is precise and balanced. Now, let's explore the power of QuickBooks reporting. You'll learn to generate key financial reports, such as the profit and loss statement, giving you clear insights into your business performance. We'll also touch upon the basics of setting up and processing payroll and how to track sales tax effectively. These features are essential for informed decision-making and compliance. To further enhance your QuickBooks skills, consider integrating third-party apps for specialized tasks. There are many online training modules and community forums available to help you solve specific challenges and learn new features. Remember to back up your company data regularly. This simple step protects your financial information and ensures peace of mind. Keep exploring and growing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.